We will discuss the guarantees and warranties of the machine. Of course, if we will buy something, we should assure ourselves that this particular gadget or machine will be used and it will not break easily. So they will render the license to operate and the test run of the machines. So we will have a rotation conducted by the contractors. So they are the one who will discuss and to teach the chosen factory workers to operate the said machines. So the training for the workers that will operate the machines and then evaluate the workers that are qualified to use them. So at the end of the day, we will evaluate the workers and we will choose the workers that are qualified to use the machines. So sorry to say, but we will remove those factory workers that are not qualified and not capable to use the new machines that the company will produce.
To present the budget proposal, let us call on our finance manager, Mr. Chaos Pichay, and our auditor, Mr. Joe Pascual.
Okay, so good morning my fellow colleagues. So I will lay out to you now the budget proposal for the acquisition of machines. So our chosen solution for the problem that our company is facing right now is the acquisition of machines in exchange of cutting down or cutting off the employment of some of our employees. So firstly, Mr. Anton and I have talked and we have come to an agreement that we would give 3 months, at least 3 months notice for those who will be cut off from our company. So let's just say that for 3 months they will have their regular salary of $350 a day. So we would be cutting off unfortunately we would be cutting off 100 workers. So the 66 working days, so it will come to around 2 million. So this it will not disrupt the company's routine or the way of it being handled from the pursuits that we have. So yeah, so when we implement it, so we have this desired or the ideal conditions that we will set by our company. So we would be taking the bidder who would most probably have 2 million per machine, 2 million pesos per machine. We would buy 10 machines and it would be 20 million pesos according to 20 million pesos. But not to worry because as Mr. Anton have said, based on the bidding or the terms that these various companies will give to us, the company that will probably give us 10 months to pay or 10-month installment of payment. So it will result to 2 million a month. 2 million a month reallocation for the purchase machines. That's all it means. Note for the ideal conditions of the purchase. So based on the current power charges the company has today, it's almost it is 25 an allocation of 25,000 pesos a month So that is inclusive of electricity and water charges. So if we were to compute for it, the doubling of this, or the doubling of our machines would result with also doubling of the power charges of the company. So it's sort of 55,000 so more or less. So the monthly expenses that our company will have will be 2 million a month for the machines and the power charge at most 55,000 a month. So to 2,054,000 pesos. So I know this is a bit heavy on the company's resources. The upside to this proposal would be the increase in production. Our productivity will increase, and also the quality of our products will not be neglected. So even that it would be our operations would be machine based or technology based, would then give us a consistent standard for quality. Yeah, so in the long run, this 2,055,000 pesos a month for 10 months would mean it also will pave the way for our country's future success and for the budget. So to discuss the timetable of the operations would be our company's capital. So for the timetable.
We agreed to make a 3-year the timetable that we were going to do is allocated for 3 years. So we I break it down in by quarter. So first quarter to July, from July to September. So we will start the signing of contract. Indeed, by this time, we have we already have the supply of the machines, and of course when we start using the machines, we will remove at least 8% of the total employees that we have. So we have 200 employees, so 8% of 200 is 60. So that's not a big loss for us. So I thought of this idea because we cannot make them we cannot remove them up in the snap. We will do it in process. So in the first 3 months, we will remove 8% of the total employees. Then, of course, the down payment of the 20 machines, it's 7 million. So that's the contract that the suppliers that they give us. So from then the second quarter, the machines of course they are high end, so we expect that they will be properly used by our employees, and of course we will still remove employees at least 7%. Then the installment basis of our machines, of the payment of our machines, will be 3 million per quarter. So it means that 1 million per month should be paid, should be given to the supplier of the machines. Then it's the same with our third quarter, and so we're expecting that the employees will be removed by their performance. So we're going to evaluate their performance for the next 2 years. So it says the removal of our employees. So at our second year of using these machines, so the payment for the machines is is fixed me 3 million. And the removal of our employees will be less than to 5%. So we will not meet culture shock of losing too much employees in one time. Then at our third year we will we meet the number of employees that we are targeting. By this time, we're only focusing on the payments for the machines. So last payment of our machine will be at April. Will be at the fourth quarter of our third year. This will be from April to June, maybe 2017. So the last payment of our machines will be at the same price at 1 million. So we get that 3-year warranty and the installment basis of our machines to our supplier.
Well, I believe it's something to consider. But before I accept this proposal, do you have any questions or clarifications about it? Let's go on other matters. Yeah.
For the other matters, marketing strategy will be presented by the production manager and the marketing manager.
Hello? Sira.
Hala.
May balat sa puwet.
Alam mo ba?
Sira. Ricky, may balat ka sa puwet.
Project na
Oo nga eh. Ayun na. Wala. La? Huwag ka ba? Gane.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today I will present the marketing strategy for our company. As we all know, the purchasing of the machine would result in the inflation of the production of the company, and in order to keep up with that, we have to offer the market a new style and new products from our company. And one of the most successful form of advertising could be done on the internet via social media. We are going to have our own Facebook page, Twitter account,
Instagram account and Tumblr blog in order to promote and to gain popularity among our target market, which is the youngsters and those people who are into fashion.
Magazine and newspaper. Learner Tree Clothing Corporation will be featured on the monthly issue of a local style magazine. The ads on the newspaper will run for a week. So, the projected increase in sales, starting from October, it's 100%, and in November it gained 40% of the sales, and in December, 60% of the sales increased. Then in January, it decreased 190% because of advertisements. Conclusion to this, after the relaunch and the promotion of Learner Tree, its sales would be increased and it would cover up all expenses of the advertisement, and it would gain more popularity and establish its name in the industry that would keep it relevant through the years. That's all.